If you have service level agreements with your clients, you can use MSP Manager's SLA feature to help your team prioritize their work and address tickets within defined response times. You can sort your tickets by priority, send automatic notifications to your techs for tickets at risk for breaching your SLA thresholds, monitor in real time how your team is performing, and report on performance against the SLA. First, you'll define your SLAs in Account Settings. Select SLA Policies and then click on Add a new SLA policy. Enter a name and description if you wish, then go to Policy Settings to define your response time thresholds. Enter in your default time settings for ticket assignment, progress, and completion. If you want to configure additional rules for different priority levels, click on the appropriate level and enter those times. Next, set your alert levels to define who will be alerted and when, based on the stages in a ticket lifecycle. These settings are relative to the response time thresholds you've just defined. For example, in Alert Level 1, you may want to send an alert when a ticket is halfway to breach, so you would move the slider to 50%, and then choose the person you want to receive the alert. You can trigger the next alert at 90% of breach, choose a color to visually highlight the priority, and send it to more people. At 100%, you can turn the ticket red and send additional notifications. Once your SLA is configured, choose the customer you wish to assign it to, choose the appropriate service item, and select the SLA from the drop-down menu under SLA Policy to associate it. Now your help desk will show SLA status information for tickets in progress. You can even sort by SLA to see the highest priority tickets, so your techs can easily prioritize their day. A visual indicator of the SLA status will also appear on each individual ticket. By assigning SLAs to your service items, you can evaluate your overall performance as a company, as well as performance by each customer and by each tech. MSP Manager automatically tracks SLA performance so you can share reports with your team or customer at any time on how you performed against the SLA. In the Reports tab, click on the SLA Breached Tickets report to see detailed information about tickets that breached SLA. You can choose to see all tickets or filter this report by customer, service item, ticket creation date, or priority type in order to drill down on specific problem areas. The Company SLA Overview report lets you assess how well your company is performing against your SLA policies overall and quickly get a sense of the areas where you need to improve. You'll see what percentage of tickets breached and at what stage of the workflow, along with a summary of the types of tickets, service items, or SLA policies that are breaching the most. You can filter results by week, month, year, or whatever date range you want to review.